Hey everyone, it's Luan Morrison here and welcome back to my channel. Guys, in today's video I want to do a quick overview of Tesla. As you guys all know, Tesla is reporting earnings on Monday, 26th of July. And as you guys know, there's lots of news with this reporting, and I know a lot of folks are watching it both on the bear side and the bull side for this stock. And my take on Tesla is that it's moving to the upside because the technical charts are set up perfectly for this stock to move to the upside. So in this video I'll go over my technical analysis and I'll touch on a couple of key catalysts that I believe will drive this stock to the upside once it report earnings after market closes on Monday, the 26th of July. So if you're someone that is has your eyes on Tesla and you want to know exactly where the stock is going next, you certainly don't want to miss this video. And before I dive into the charts, guys, if you're new to the channel, remember to subscribe, smash that like button so we can help with the algorithms, we can help the channel to grow, and we can keep things moving along so I can continue to bring you guys premium content. So let's jump right into it, guys. So the last time this company was in a wedge formation, as you can see here, it broke out significantly. We moved in 58 days, we went 113% in 58 days. That's ridiculous. Of course, that was late last year. Now this stock is in a wedge formation right now, and it's a lengthy wedge, as you can see here. Total duration about 180 days, and it's still down 28% from all-time highs. So as you guys can see here, the technical setup, it's a wedge formation, fully equipped. As you can see, you have 1, 2 connection points in the resistance line. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 points on the support line, and it's holding this support nicely. So this support line, an angle is well defined. There's no question about it. It is set up to move to the upside. That's my take on Tesla. I already took some position here to get my feet wet on this stock. Most likely Monday I'll be looking to increase my size, but on Friday I already got my feet wet both on the stock side and also on the option side. So like I said, this one is set up technically to move higher. In terms of target pricing, we got 21% to the upside within 10 to 12 days. So after the earnings is reported that week, the following week, the first week of August, the stock easily will be up 21% up at that 776 level, which will reach to resistance into this sloping line that I have here. That will be the next resistance for this stock, which coincides with this April 14th high of 776. So that's my target. If you're doing options, you certainly want to do 1 to 2 weeks, and you want to target, there's a gap fill here. As you can see here, we gap down back in April. So the first thing will be for this stock to fill the gap. So we'll go up here and we'll go towards 725 all the way to 740, where the gap will get filled. That will get done easily in 1 to 2 weeks after reporting earnings. And then, like I said, the next stop will be up at 776. This stock could continue either with momentum to test all-time highs back up at almost 900, or it can reach resistance here and roll, and move sideways and maybe fold after that. But in the short term, if you're a short-term trader like myself, I'm not interested in what this stock will do long term. I'm just here to tell you that in the next 1 to 2 weeks, I'm telling you where the stock is likely or has a high probability to go in the next 1 to 2 weeks. So that's my setup here. If you look at Finviz, we can see here the stock, in terms of sales, the stock is, it's a growth machine. As you can see here, 2016, 17, 18, all the way to 20. The stock is just stepping up with its sales. As you can see here, we're moving to the positive side. So the company has now $1 billion in income, net income. Obviously, sales is moving up nicely. So the forecasted trailing 12 months is forecasted to be 35 billion for 2021. So that's pretty good. The company is growing as it should. In terms of analysts' calls, a lot of analysts are calling for this thing to go up to about $1,000. 974, $800, 730, somewhere around there. This stock is being called to move higher too. Tesla also recently launched their FSD, which is a full self-driving, and it's more or less subscription based the way they have it set up. You can do that 10,000 up front, or you do $200 per month for that. So that in itself, a lot of people who were hesitant initially to go with a full upfront, they'll be able to do it on a subscription monthly basis. So that's another bonus for this company, and that's huge. That's one of the huge catalysts that I was talking about. In terms of stock charts, I was looking at this company here. As you can see, the accumulation distribution never really dipped, although this company went down almost 30-40% in the past few months. The accumulation distribution continued to move sideways and never really decline. So that's another bullish sign that this stock might be primed for a breakout to the upside. So that's another big catalyst and another big indicator that I was looking at when I assessed Tesla. So that's it, guys. Let's talk entry, exits, and risk management. As you guys know, I do not take trades if I don't know my key entrance, exits, and my risk level. So we can see here right now the stock is sitting at 645. Your risk easily, guys, is the bottom here. Anything opening or closing outside of this line that I have drawn here, is the stock is rolling over. There's no question about it. There's no discussion. So if you get in here and the stock breaks this line, not just break, but closes at the end of the day, because this is the daily chart I'm looking at. It has to close at the end of the day outside of this line. It means that this stock is going to the downside. So you want to exit your position. If you have stocks, options, you want to go short or you want to buy puts. If the stock either opens here on Monday or at the end of the day, Monday closes outside of this line. So that's your risk, and your entry obviously is right here. You don't want to wait anymore. You got to enter. Some people, are scared to enter before the earnings. But like I said, technically this one is set up and ready to go. So if you don't get in before earnings and you wait till after earnings, this thing can gap up after hours Monday and be right up here. And then you'll be looking to get in kind of late, but it's still decent target areas. So entry, risk, and target level, as I said before, is with the gap fill at 740 and then the ultimate high of 776 to hit this resistance line that I have drawn here. So that's my analysis of Tesla, guys. I'll wrap this one up. Like I said, guys, if you're new to the channel, remember to subscribe, smash that like button if I earn your thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one.